In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Auto Dark Mode program on your Windows computer. So if you have this program and you wish to permanently remove it from your Windows computer, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel on your Windows computer, and this is the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. However, if you can't see the Control Panel program here, go ahead and click on Start menu and then search for Control Panel like that. I'll click on it to open and look for this option called Programs and Features. Now under this, go ahead and look for Auto Dark Mode. As you can see, all programs installed on this computer are all listed here. So identify the one you want, and to uninstall it, just click on it and then choose uninstall here and confirm that indeed you want to uninstall it by clicking on yes. And this will go ahead and begin uninstalling this program, and finally it has been removed complete by clicking on OK. So that's how you can permanently remove Auto Dark Mode program on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.